No, I'm a recorder.
Dangerous in what way? Maybe making cupcakes a little too easy? Perhaps. But you know, we've all had that late night craving where, well, and I definitely did. I was pregnant with my second child and I thought, you know, I'm the owner of a cupcake bakery and even I can't get a cupcake in the middle of the night. So dreamt up this idea and we're very excited to launch it. But it's also like an ATM where you just use your credit card and you get instant gratification. It's high tech. It's really the wave of the future. It's a robotic arm that finds your cupcake and delivers it to you, and you can see it working behind the scenes on our touchscreen. In fact, we've just recently had to increase our hours that we're open because there are a lot of people and there's a lot of demand. After, you know, dinner, people want a cupcake, but we can't be open all night long because of our poor employees. So we'll just stock it fresh before they leave for the evening and it'll be good to go.
Which is better, banana or banana dark chocolate? Banana. Try the chocolate marshmallow.
You should be communicating with the bus office.
You don't know how many times we sped down here to try to make it before the store closed.
Before it closes.
And everything else.
I think it's a great idea. You can never have too much access to your cupcakes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.